Hello and welcome to the fourth film in our Modular Coordination series. In it, we examine the various sizes in which bricks are generally available. The ergonomics of bricklaying is determined by the dimensions and weight of the bricks used. As a result, their size and weight is generally designed to ensure that they can be lifted and placed in position with one hand. This is based on the fact that for millennia, bricklayers have held a trowel in one hand and the brick to be laid in the other. Although an adult hand is roughly the same size all around the world, there are and have been many different brick measurement systems, and the size of bricks once varied from region to region. Here you can see an overview of old brick sizes. Differences in the measurement systems used in Europe and the US continue to this day. Metric versus Imperial. In Germany, after the Second World War, there was a desire to standardize brick sizes, and German standard DIN 4172 Modular Coordination in Building Construction was introduced in 1950 for just this purpose. Brick formats, such as the once common Imperial format, for example, were replaced by the Octometric system. The metric system has been established in Europe since the introduction of the International Prototype Meter at the end of the 18th century. But what does octometric actually mean? Octo, from the ancient Greek, refers to the number 8. I'm sure that you've all eaten, or at least seen, octopus, an 8-armed cephalopod mollusk. In the case of the octometer, the prefix octa refers to the fact that the meter is divided into 8 parts. So an octometer is 1/8 of a meter. The octometric system is therefore based on numerical series of multiples or factors of 1/8 of a meter, or 12.5 centimeters. DIN 4172 proved highly successful, and today almost all walls are built using bricks based on this system. DIN 4172 refers to these values as standard construction sizes or modular sizes. They're based on the dimensions of the building shell and are 25 centimeters and factors thereof, that is half, 1/3 or 1/4 of 25 centimeters. The 1/3 of 25 centimeter dimension, that is 8 1/3 and 16 2/3 centimeters, are only used for brick heights. The others are used for both lengths and widths. Summary. German standard DIN 4172 specifies modular coordination based on the octometric system. It's based on numerical series of multiples or factors of 1/8 of a meter, or 12.5 centimeters. Values in these numerical series are known as modular sizes. We would be delighted if you also watch the next film in our Modular Coordination series, in which we examine the way in which butt and bed joints affect modular coordination.